Hello guys, this is Sam from developerscreate.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to back up your WordPress installation, including your themes and your plugins, the whole thing. The first thing you need to understand is WordPress uses database in order to store everything. So anything that you set up, your categories, your posts, your pages, every setting that you set up in the back, and including the name of your website, your tagline, the whole thing is stored inside the database. So if you store that database, if you back up that database, sorry about that, you actually back up everything that you already set up. The second thing that you need in order to back up a website, WordPress website, is to back up files. Now, some plugins, including BodyPress, it actually creates some PHP files of its own. So in order to back up, you can't just go and pick everything inside WP-content. You have to back up everything. Now, the way to do it is you first have to log into your cPanel, and you're going to go down to File Manager, and that's where it's set up. Then I'm going to come down till I get to the file called wp-config. I'm going to go View, and this is the name of the database, WRDP3. Okay, that's all I needed here. Close that. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to cPanel, and now I'm going to go to PHPMyAdmin. Some hosting you have to type in the login name and password in order to get here. Some don't. So let's find that database. Here it is, WRDP3. Just going to open it. Going to go to export. Take you off. You select everything. Give me that. Give me that. I'm going to change this one to, and that would do. Go. I'm going to save it. While you're doing that, I'm going to go back to the file manager again. Open it up. I'm going to go select everything, and I'm going to compress them into one file. I'm just going to download that one file. The reason that I do this, you can just use FTP to download all the files. There is nothing wrong with that. But the problem is something like an entire WordPress installation with theme and plugins, you're gonna run over 1,000 files, even maybe 5,000 or 6,000 files. Now, when you're using FTP, it will stop after each file, and for something like half a second or something, and then it starts to download the next file. Now, if you have one or two files, it's not a big deal. You're not going to even notice it. But if you have 6,000 half a seconds, you're going to end up with 3,000 seconds wasted time. So why do it? You can just compress them on the server and just download the zip file. So I'm going to call this file WordPress, and I'm going to put in the date, which is 31st of 05 of 2011. I'm going to go compress it. And it's done. Okay, now I'm going to click on this and I'm going to download it. I'm going to save it in the same place, which would be here. And after download, I'm going to delete this, and I suggest you delete it after you downloaded it. The reason for that is anyone can just download this file, and you don't want it to anyone downloading it. Okay. Now (24.2 megabyte). Okay, it's done. Then I'm going to go delete and delete. I'm going to come here. I'm going to create a zip file. Right click, new zip file. I'm going to put in the date 31st/05/2011, and I'm going to put in the name of the website, which is Wordpress dot testing account .com. That's it. And now just gonna send it to we can do it this way. That will be much easier. Okay. Now let's open the file. Close that. Wrong file. And this one would be the file, wouldn't it? Yes. Okay, we got it. Alright. Now any other file, I'm just going to delete them because I don't need them. Okay, that's our file already backed up. We're ready to go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to delete this entire website. Then I'm going to show you how to put it back up. Okay, see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. I just deleted all the files on the server. I also emptied the entire database. Now if you have somebody hacking into your website in your database and they put something in there like their email address or their website address and you don't want it to be there, in this method you can just delete the whole thing and start over. And I'm just gonna restore the database first. The way to do it is you just click on import, and I'm gonna open the Wordpress and I'm gonna extract these files here. Okay. Now just gonna go browse, get the SQL file, gonna untick this, and I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna go back to File Manager, open it up, and I'm gonna go Upload, Browse, and this is the file that I need to upload. It's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna pause this video till it finishes, then we take it from there. See you soon. Hey guys, it just finished uploading. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go here. As you see, it's already imported our entire database back in. Now for the files, just gonna close this, gonna go to File Manager again. I'm gonna go Reload, click on this, and then I'm gonna go Extract. And because I created a zip file from everything here, when you extract them you have the site back, and all you have to do is just delete this file because you don't need it. And if I refresh this, it's here. Okay. I hope this tutorial helps. Good luck.